Good morning students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Students, we are on class 12th Business Studies chapter 8 Controlling, and today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, that is relationship between planning and controlling. How planning and controlling are related to each other. Planning and controlling are inseparable twins of management. The planning and controlling function of management are very closely associated and related. This relationship between the both functions can be explained in following manner. First, nature and concept. Controlling means keeping a check that everything is in accordance with plans, and if there is no or any deviation, taking preventive measures to stop that deviation. Planning is the basic function of every enterprise. As in planning, we decide what is to be done, how is it to be done, and when it is to be done, and by whom it must be done. Planning bridges the gap between where we are standing today and where we want to reach. Then comes planning and controlling are independent and interlinked. Planning and controlling function always coexist or have to exist together, as one function depends on the other order. The controlling functions compare actual performance with the planned performance, and if there is no planned performance, then controlling manager will not be able to know whether the actual performance is okay or not. Now comes planning and controlling, both are backward and forward looking. Controlling is backward looking because, like post-mortem of past activities, the manager looks back to the previous year performance to find out its deviation from standard. Planning is also backward looking because planning is guided by the past experience and feedback report of controlling function. Controlling is also forward looking because controlling does not end only by comparing the past performance with the standards. It involves finding the reasons for deviation and suggest the best measure so that deviation do not occur in the future. So this statement that planning is forward looking and controlling is backward looking is only partially correct, as planning and controlling are both forward looking as well as backward looking. Now the last is planning is prescriptive, whereas controlling is evaluative. Planning is basically an intellectual process involving lots of thinking, comparison to prescribe a particular course of action for achieving objectives. Controlling, on the other hand, evaluate or check whether the desired course of action is followed or not. We can reach a conclusion that there is a close and reciprocal relationship between planning and controlling. Planning and controlling cannot be separated. They both exist in the enterprise. These two are supplementary functions which support each other for successful implementation or execution of both the function. Planning makes controlling effective and efficient, whereas controlling improves the future planning. So again, we can recall that planning plans course of action, controlling ensures course of action is followed in a most appropriate and desirable manner. Controlling looks back for performance and forward for giving suggestion. Planning looks back for the result of previous year plan and looks forward to make assumption for new plan. Controlling depends upon planning for the base of yardstick to compare with, and planning depends upon controlling for the right implementation. And both are the twins of the management. It means planning is the function is also dependent on controlling function, as plans are not made only on papers, but these have to be followed and implemented by the organization. The controlling function makes sure that everyone follows the plan strictly. Continuous monitoring and check in controlling function makes it possible that everyone follows the plan. So both the functions are interlinked and interdependent for a successful execution of both the functions. Planning and controlling must support each other. So student, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.